Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation destination. In the beginning take a look at the screen display and next go to navigation and menu. Now select set destination and select from address, points of interest, stored location, previous destination, return trip or more. Let's select address. First you select area and then city. Select street. And house number, then select Add to itinerary. Start guidance.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
And it's done. To stop route guidance, go to menu and select pause guidance. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.